Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm taking you through a much needed wash day session using the Royal Oils line by Head & Shoulders. So let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so the Royal Oils collection was specifically designed for us curly and coily girls. It is infused with coconut oil for scalp relief and moisture and to help promote healthy hair growth. Alright y'all, so first things first is we got to take this wig off, take this makeup off, just get ready for our wash day. It's been about 4 weeks since I've washed my hair and my scalp is itchy, and I also have a good amount of buildup, so let's get rid of the wig. So next I'm just going to undo these two braids really quickly, and then we're going to get a little bit closer in so that you guys can see how my hair is looking, how my scalp is looking right here. So one of my most favorite and most important steps in my wash day is my pre-shampoo. So today I'm using the buildup remover from the Royal Oils collection, and this actually has micellar water in it, which helps to break up buildup, and in return it also helps the other products in your wash day lineup to really work and do their job. So this is your first step before shampooing your hair. All I did was just shake up the bottle to mix the formula together and then spray it directly on my scalp, and then giving myself a really gentle and much needed scalp massage, you guys. So love a good pre-shampoo. The buildup remover, I must say, was also very gentle but effective as well. So once I finished this, I washed it out, and then I moved into the next step, which is using the water activated salt scrub with coconut oil. I applied this directly to my scalp, gave myself a good little massage, and this also helps to break up any kind of buildup or leftover product as well. So moving right along, after I have deep condition, this is how we're looking, you guys. And let's take the towel off. I typically try and air dry as long as I possibly can, and this is what you get afterwards. The shrinkage is real over here, you guys. Next, I'm moving into the Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir. It has menthol and peppermint oil in it, and it's also free of sulfates, parabens, and dyes like the rest of the collection, and you don't rinse this out. So I'm just applying it directly to my scalp in smaller sections because I am getting ready to blow dry. This elixir felt really good on my scalp. I could feel a little bit of tingling from the menthol and the peppermint oil, which I loved. I desperately needed it because I had been scratching my head so much. So this was like a godsend for me. So I'm just going in and detangling my hair. This is not oily. I love the fact that it was not oily. I hate putting a whole bunch of oils and stuff on my scalp only because I do have acne prone skin. So this was perfect for me. And here, after I applied my heat protectant, I'm just going to blow dry my hair as normal to prepare for a very simple protective style. I love that this line is focused on scalp care because really healthy hair starts at the scalp. I know we hear it often, but it's so true. It's so true to take care of your scalp first, and everything else will follow. I can really appreciate the fact that this collection really focuses on the scalp. It's so important in helping to just make your protective styles last a lot longer. You guys know I do nothing but protective styles. That's all I do. And my hair has seen so much growth from it. Look at it. It's shining. It's looking really healthy, but that all starts at the source, and it starts at the scalp. So this is a really great collection if you really want to get your hair in tip-top condition. So at this point with detangling and blow drying, my arm was ready to fall off, but this is the result of my blow dry. My scalp is feeling so much better. It's feeling super clean as well, and my hair is not stripped. It's not weighed down. It's all looking good, y'all. I know y'all can see that. So next I'm gonna go in with the Daily Moisture Scalp Cream. This can be used as a daily treatment to help seal in scalp moisture, and it helps to prevent flakes and itch, which extends your braids and your twist outs and all those other protective styles that we love. You can use this on dry or damp hair, it doesn't matter, but all you got to do is just put a little bit on the scalp, and then I just kind of gently rubbed it in like I'm doing here, and I just took it kind of section by sections, not too small of sections either, but kind of like medium, I guess you should say, and then just giving myself a little scalp massage afterwards. Caring for a protective style is not difficult, you guys. It's not hard. It's actually fairly easy, which is why I love them so much. And this line from Head & Shoulders really helps you with your hair care before, during, and after protective styling. So you should be good all the way around. So last up, you guys, I'm just going to use the Seal and Prep Moisture Milk to slick my hair back into a low bun. This is also really lightweight, like most of the products in this line, which I really liked. So just squeezing a little bit into my hands and applying that all throughout my hair, and trying my best to focus on my edges and also the ends of my hair. And then I'm just gonna slick this back in a really cute low bun and tie a scarf around it, because my scalp, my hair, everything just needed a break. It's been like a month since I've given myself a good break from protective styling, and I try to do this every 4 weeks or so. So I'm just gonna wear my hair in a low bun for a few days until I move on to my next style. And with the help of this Royal Oils line, I'll be good with no flakes, no itching. This affordable line can be found at CVS. So if you're ready for some scalp relief and some hydration as well, and just to maintain and rock your protective style with confidence, then be sure to pick this line up. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.